Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy a Laravel project on Cpanel. First, zip your entire Laravel project except the vendor and node_modules folders. Next, upload the zip file to your Cpanel account using the file manager. Now extract files outside public_html, keeping the public folder inside public_html. Move all contents of the public folder into public_html directly. Update paths in index.php to point to Laravel's base folder by following the code which you can see on your screen. Next, import your database via phpMyAdmin and update.env with DB credentials. Now run Composer install using Cpanel terminal or SSH to install vendor files. Set file permissions for storage/ and bootstrap/ cache/ folders to be writable. Then visit your domain to confirm the Laravel app is working smoothly on Cpanel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.